To Newcastle next. They love their homegrown heroes at St James's Park. So when the club was looking for a player to inspire young fans, Sean Longstaff proved the perfect choice.
I'm Alex Howe, and Match of the Day have sent me to Newcastle to find out about Premier League Inspires.
Excited about today? Romy, look excited. Premier League Inspires is targeted at various different kids, getting them more active, more engaged in school, and giving them loads of opportunities to develop their life skills, really.
We've got teamwork, confidence, resilience, all the things that will make these guys successful throughout secondary school and then further into their further education or jobs.
It's been a real boost to the kids. Achievement on the football pitch is the same as achieving in the classroom. You work hard, you persevere, and you get rewards at the end. And I think this is going to do so much for the kids in the long run.
It's nice, it's fun.
Is it better than normal lessons?
Yeah.
So, are we ready to test our memories?
What is the qualities of being a good teammate?
Cooperation. Yeah, all of that. Like never giving up. Yeah.
How do you think the kids are going to react when Sean Longstaff turns up?
Yeah, it might be a little bit crazy. Local boy, just hit the first team. We're really, really excited.
Does anyone recognise this guy? Who is it?
Who is it?
Sean, yeah. Okay.
I still think it's pretty crazy that I can walk into a room and there's a load of kids that'll know who I am, and they're so happy to see us. Puts a smile on my face when I can come in here and brighten up a few kids' days. Yes, buddy. The work the foundation do in the community is amazing, and obviously I'm always happy to get involved.
The club is massive for kids, especially in this sort of region, not the most affluent area, and they use the football to inspire them, to get them to do a lot of schoolwork and develop their skills.
Run the blindfold back. Hey, that's tough, that. Have you tried that?
Really, it's just that connection that the club, the brand and the badge have with the city. Everyone will tell you it's a one football club city. To build that kind of connection so early in school here with the younger children, they can take all of that confidence that they gain from it and really go through and thrive with the rest of their time with us.
Which one? This one?
You're actually an ambassador for the foundation. How did that come about?
Seen in the programme that had been helping my next door neighbour who but unfortunately got diagnosed with cancer, and so I sort of seen the work that they've done with him and just jumped at the chance really to get involved. You all right?
Yeah.
I'll get you the ball. You see the great work that they do in the schools and the community and with the kids, and if I can give a little bit back as well, it's amazing.
Okay, go.
I really hope their skills and their personalities develop so much so that they don't just become good students for us, they become good members of their community.
We've been so pleased with how it's working. We're trying to increase the hours because we've seen the impact it's making. So my message to anyone else wanting to try out the scheme, it's not a gimmick, it can make a real difference.